Hi, my name is Riley Acree, and for my final topic, I'm going to be discussing regional metamorphism. So first off, what is metamorphism? It is the process of change that rocks can go through, and this change results in a change in heat, pressure, or even the movement of fluids, and all of this can affect the texture and the composition of these rocks. So with metamorphism comes different types. There are thermal, hydrothermal, regional, and dynamic metamorphism, and these are just a few of the different types. Today I'm just going to be discussing regional metamorphism, however. And so regional metamorphism occurs over a very large area and when the rocks are buried deep in the crust. It is created by all three of the processes, so the change in temperature, pressure, and the movement of fluids is involved. It can be caused by large intrusions or by extreme heat and pressure tectonism, so where two plates are colliding. And so this is very common in the formation of mountain ranges and with convergent plate boundaries. Another name for regional metamorphism is dinothermal metamorphism, and this is because the rocks deform while they are recrystallizing too. So a few rocks that are formed by regional metamorphism is slate, pyrite, schist, gneiss, quartzite, and marble. And whatever rock it is depends on if it's low-grade or high-grade metamorphism. So the more heat and pressure that is involved, the higher the grade. So slate is one of the lower grade metamorphic rocks, and marble is one of the highest grade metamorphic rocks. And due to all the pressure and recrystallization, regional metamorphic rocks are foliated, so they can have a few different textures. And pictured are just a few examples of these rocks. The first one here is slate, and the second one is quartzite. A very common and known example of regional metamorphism is the Himalayan mountain range. It is on a continent-to-continent convergent boundary, so these rocks have been moved to great heights and even buried to very great depths. And the core of the range has experienced this metamorphism as they go through all three of the processes and occur over a very wide area too. Pictured here is just an example of how the Himalayan mountains were formed. So due to two plates colliding, the mountain range was able to form. And if you need to pause or just need to ask any questions, just let me know. And these are the sources that I used. And I wish everyone good luck on their finals. Thank you.